Assalamualaikum. I'm Marzuka Rahman and I'm welcoming you to my video resume. At first, I will share my educational qualification. I'm completed my diploma in computer engineering from Daffodil Polytechnic Institute. And earlier, I finished my HSC in 2016 from Newport Dance School and College. Based on my interest, I set my goal to be a professional 3D animator, and I'm working hard to reach my goal. I already have 5-month internship experience as a 3D modeler in Flow Digital Limited. Besides my study, I always kept myself engaged with different co-curricular and extracurricular activities. I have joined many seminars, workshops, and also participated on many competitions. During my study, I enhanced my communication skill, leadership skill, creative and critical thinking ability. I have interest in learning new things. I kept myself updated with innovation. Besides study, I kept myself engaged with different projects such as I was a 3D modeler of government project called Mobile Game and Application. Also, I was a volunteer for UNICEF Bangladesh, and I also engaged with Multimedia Content and Communication Limited as a project coordinator. I have earned a scholarship from my institute which encouraged me to focus on my study. I have been working hard to develop my skill and ability. I want to discover myself as a renowned and expert 3D animator. You can find more about me from the following social media platform. Thank you for managing your valuable time to know about me.